Is he holding a phone? I suspect he was. I didn't see a phone, but you know, it was that upturned handhold in his right hand. Oh dear, GG. You can't be texting while you're driving. I am going to report it to the police, I'm afraid.
See, I had this and there, and it was so easy, and you can talk and it's writing.
No, after you. Carry on. It's a red light, mate.